hearing some trouble sounds, and our technicians are going to identify what part of the car the noise is coming from. Where do you think this noise is coming from?
Yeah, I suspect two things. Number one, water pump. Secondly, adjuster. The bad adjuster can bring out this sound.
Where do you think the sound is coming from?
It's going from Kickstarter.
Where do you think this noise is coming from?
It's from brake pad.
Where do you think this noise is coming from? Where do you think this sound is coming from? The Holy Spirit ministers here. Where do you think the sound is coming from? This kind of sound, I've never had this kind of sound before.
But I think it's from exhaust.
Am I right? Different answer. Drop it in the comment section.